guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for like a minute. A lot of things have been happening to your girl, and work life balance is a struggle for me. But I created this look. I just felt like I haven't done like a summer look, and it's almost like we're deep down in summer. So I created this look, and I wanted to play with like colorful palettes. I used the new Juvias Place Culture 2 palette. This is what it looks like. I feel like it's like green heavy with this palette. This is what it looks like. I tried to use as many colors as I could. We have 30 shades in here, and yeah, I feel like if you're trying to get into like colors, or you're trying to like just do something fun, get this palette. It's very colorful, very pretty, very pigmented. If you already have like rainbow palettes, or you already have like a colorful palette, you probably might not need this one. I love the shade range here as well. The pigmentation formula is great. Juvia's Place is always given when it comes to like pigmentation and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, you would definitely not miss out, and the price is also good. So and those are my thoughts. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. I want to do a giveaway once I get to 1,000. I do want to give a giveaway, and like my giveaway is about to be lit. So please subscribe, and comment down below what you would like to see next from me. I'm going to try to film at least once a week and post them. Okay, so please bear with me. Trust me, I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. But just bear with me. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
No, I'm really just